videos will probably not be uploaded in real time because the internet's messed up. Like yesterday when we got back from Turk, we got back on the ship. We still had like an hour and a half left before the ship left because it docked early. So, our phones weren't working, so I went to get services and they said that the satellite was messed up. So they said nobody's phones was working and not even the TV was working. So they were trying to fix it. So we was like, okay, whatever. Kyle started watching a movie because they have movies that you can watch for free on the TV. So he started watching one of those. And then, good morning. He started watching one of those. And then I took a little nap, and when I woke up, the phone was still not working. But it was like we could receive stuff, but we couldn't send stuff. Like I could refresh my Instagram, refresh my Facebook, but when I tried to upload something, it wasn't working. Or like on WhatsApp, we could get messages, but we couldn't send them. So I don't know what that was about. I just got a blue iguana, 2 tacos, and a burrito because I don't know which one Kyle wants. That one has no beans. He put this one on my plate first, and then I realized it had beans, so I asked him for one without beans. And I'm gonna just put that egg on that one. And then I got this guava juice that is so delicious, only at breakfast. And I always grab it at the last minute, and I be forgetting to bring my thing so I can fill it up with the juice because that's how good it is. But I forgot again, so whatever. Alrighty, we are dressed for the day. Here's my swimsuit from Shein, and then these swimsuit bottoms I've had for years, and I think I got them from Amazon, but I have no idea. I have a white pair and a black pair of these. Everybody has these. You can find them anywhere you can. But yep, here's an outfit. Waiting for Kyle to get out the shower. He's out of the bed, but he's in the bathroom. So. He had Turks and cake. That's a nice swim with it. You get the guys feeding the fishes. You get the Mardi Gras stuff. Oh, I gotta go back to that bed. The bed. I miss you. Oh, I miss you so much, Ruby. Come on. What you was doing? Oh, they see me. I didn't have snorkel gear. Yeah, and I just played with the fishes. You was playing with the fishes? Oh, I saw that. It's like a post, you know. Is it working?
I told y'all already I love my job. Shit.
So that keep on the left hand side.
She gon' slide right to my side. I know she pulled up with a friend, and we skirt off in the Benz. Took her back to my crib, and I regret it. She tryna
take that dunk, go left and right, move your body up and down. Take that dunk, go left and right, move your body up and down. Left and right, go up and down, go left and right, go up and down, go left and right, go up and down, go left and right, go up and down. Take that dunk, that dunk, that dunk, that dunk, take that dunk, that dunk, that dunk, that dunk, take that dunk, that dunk, that dunk, that dunk, that dunk, take that dunk, that dunk, that dunk, that dunk, take that dunk, go left and right, left and right. Right, left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right. Take that dunk, go left and right. and right, left 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 and right. Take that done, go left and right, move your body up and down. Take that done, go left and right, move your body up and down. Left and right, go.
This island is small. I can see the end.
Exactly. I told you it was small.
Goodbye, Turks. Had a good time.
He already started eating his clam chowder, but we went to Seafood Shack. I couldn't really record because my hands were full, but is it good?
My son, baby. This tastes so good.
He's a soup chowder type of guy. I'm not. I don't really
You like for you?
You know I don't.
I mean, you don't like chowder either?
I'm only eating soup if it's 30 degrees outside. I'm not eating soup when it's 80 degrees and sunny outside. Like, anyway, I got snow crabs. So yeah, this guy in front of me had got 2 pounds. I asked the guy, I was like, "Is that a pound?" He was like, "Nah, this 2 pounds." I was like, "Uh-uh." All right, y'all. So we're at Cappuccino de wait, how you say this place? Cucina de Capitano, and I got the same thing I had first night, which was the chicken parmesan and the carbonara, and then baby got spare ribs, vegetables, and potatoes. So we about to grub, and we'll be back because we're kind of hungry. I got maple something fritters. I can't remember. I'll put the name. And then baby got a lemon tart. What kind of ice cream is that?
Blueberry.
Yeah, it looks good.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know what this is right here.
So messy.
You need me to sign something? Why did it separately?
I don't know if you've seen it on me, you know, but I guess we do.
Yes. We ain't never signed for our drink. Like anytime we get a drink in the main dining room, we did not sign for that drink yesterday. When we had soda, we did not sign for that. And it was, I didn't sign.
I signed your paper.
When did you do that? I didn't leave the table.
When you bring it?
You like your dessert?
Yeah, that's cool.
Is that kiwi under there? No, not that. Oh, no, kiwi papagal. What?
Gerb.
That's it, gal. Your mouth empty? What is it? I don't know what that is.
It tastes funny though.
I need to look back at the menu.
What is it, blueberry?
Oh, let me take your ice cream.
I'll go ahead.
Mine vanilla, you probably don't want that.
It's just like the lagoon.
Oh.
What's the blueberry though?
Did you taste the blueberries?
Yeah, I'm tired of these.
It don't taste like straight vanilla, but it don't taste like blueberry. Like it tastes like vanilla with something in it, but not blueberry. Because blueberry is a strong taste to me. We don't never make it to dessert.
Yeah, we got food before we do.
We always order dessert and then always send it back.
You cheat to do order entree?
I did on purpose. I did not order an appetizer. I only ordered an entree because I wanted to eat my dessert.
Oh, guys.
That is some lemon for your ass.
You like that?
No, I don't. Look at lemon, girl. I know, and I don't like that. That tastes like lemon zest. I don't like lemon zest. But when it tastes like the peel of the lemon, don't like
yeah,
that.
that's better though. I like a sharp.
I don't like that kind of lemon. I like a sweet lemon. You want to taste this? It's just puff. Like there's nothing inside of it.
I eat with some all my dessert. Got a little bit of more. I even tried a little garnish thing.
Garnish thing. That's what?
That's like Rick Kim made it pretty look good. I had to put my head behind my ass now so I don't go my food. I learned that trick now, baby. You see that tape that they will be to be that all the food right here.
I don't think it's much of a trick. So Kyle about to try this marijuana. You're supposed to drink out of the bottle, I think. It say ready to drink, so I think you're supposed to drink out of the bottle.
Harry Joe, welcome. What's your goal tonight? Show you and the world my dish is gonna be.
No, you ain't never read the instructions. So you ain't gonna read the instructions.
23 o'clock. I'm gonna give you an ingredient of my choice, and you must make that ingredient the star of your dish. And that ingredient is.
They have mascot. I'm risking this.
I bake bread every single day in my restaurant. Let's do this. I'm not a big sandwich girl, so what am I gonna do with this bread?
Cheers.
Right, guys, don't get crusty.
You wanna try baby?
No. I knew you was gonna smell it. Smell good or smell deadly?
Strong. Oh my god. That is.
It's the wood. Maybe you're just smelling the wood.
So after I consume the liquid, I can put my own rum in this and drink it again. That was soaked in the wood, right?
People probably do that.
Classic ciabatta bread is made with white flour.
Alright, yeah, here goes nothing, guy.
Strategy is to layer as much flavors as I can. I'm making panzanella salad with a kale and anchovy dressing. All right, chefs, 16 minutes and 50 seconds.
Good.
People say it's good.
It's really good.
Tearing out my breadcrumbs.
This will smell how it tastes.
Sexier, a little more rustic. Are you worried about Carrie at all? No. You should be worried, sir.
Yeah, that's good.
It would taste like it looks like it tastes like grape flavored medicine. Like you know when you was a kid you used to take grape flavored medicine. That's what it looks like it would taste like.
Oh my god. Then they even taste like it is strong. Good.
That look a mess.
Teach culinary education here in Manhattan.
Really not good, baby. Like it don't.
I don't like it though.
Like it?
I don't like the taste. It's not strong, but I don't like it. Would it be cold? You know, I don't think so. I don't know. Some people just drink it like that. Whew.
But I mean, like, this one you live in?
Yeah.
Like,
I wouldn't drink it again. I tasted it, but I wouldn't drink it again.
put the rest up.
Anything you wanna